Do you want to know how you can log into your PoE AI account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your PoE AI account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for PoE AI login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of PoE where you can talk to ChatGPT, GPTflow, Cloud3, Opus, Dell E3 and millions of other AI bots. So you can choose one and then you can see this is the portal of Poe. Now what you can do is log in using your Google or Apple ID, or you can go ahead using your email address. If that is not the case and you want to use your phone, you can also use your phone. So to log in with Google, all you need to do is click on Continue with Google and then select your Google account and click Continue to sign in with Poe. And in a while, you can notice that you have been signed in to your Poe account using your Google account. So it's quite simple. You can log out of this account and you can log in with your email address or your Facebook or your phone. This was a video on how you can log into your PoE AI account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.